Alright, Hannah, you're here for the last time. You have like neck pain, most likely like left side, and like upper back, a little worse on the left side as well. So we did a Groston and adjustments. So it's about like 10 days. So how you felt after first session? Did you feel like a little bit?
Yeah, it felt good. I felt just less tense and yeah.
All right, how you feel today then?
Today I feel okay, but yet yesterday I think I started feeling more just like in the neck.
Neck pain.
Yeah.
Is there like headaches?
Yeah. But I think it's because every night I clench, so it always gets worse after sleeping. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Can you look straight and turn head to the right side, all the way, and the other side? Any pain? It's okay?
It's okay.
All right, can you go ahead and look down? Any pain?
No, it just feels very tight.
Tight in the back of the neck?
Yeah.
All right, can you go ahead and look up all the way up? How you feel?
That feels okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this side's kind of worse, yeah?
Yeah.
But I see this right shoulder's kind of rolled in more.
Oh, really?
Yeah. This side's not bad, but this side's more rolled in. So you might have a really tight chest muscles, which attach to your humerus, your arms, and you bring it forward. So you need more stretching your chest muscles because of these days a lot of people like using smartphone or laptops.
Yeah.
You bring really forwards.
Okay.
So I see this side is really different than this side here. So you need more stretching on this one. Okay, Hannah, can you go ahead and facing down here? Okay. So I'm gonna check leg length. Let's see here. Okay, left side's kind of short, half-inch short, and it becomes even. Check again. Yeah, left side shorts. So that means telling me your left sacroiliac joints shift lower, inferiorly like this, and becomes this side kind of shorts. Okay. When I press it here, do you feel any tenderness?
On the left side.
On the left side, yeah, that's what I felt too. It kind of restricted when I press it here. So I'm going to use the drop table. It's okay? Alright, I'm going to do 2 more. One more. Okay, it's a little better, but still a little short. I'm gonna give an adjustment on your left sacroiliac joint. So can you lay on your right side and facing me? Just try to relax your back, relax your shoulder. Okay, 조금 더 relax. That's it. It's okay? Alright. Can you turn this side here as well? Scoot forward a little bit. That's it. Okay. Relax your shoulder. That's it. How you feel? It's okay?
Yeah.
Alright, lots of cracks. Okay, can you turn facing down? Okay, breathe in again. And breathe out. Hold there out. And breathe out all the way out. And look up. Okay. Hannah, can you have a sit?
This way?
Facing this way. Okay, relax your head onto my hands. Relax there. Good. Drop. Okay, relax your head. Relax. Okay. It's okay?
Yeah.
Loud, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. 하이킹 갔다 왔어요?
네.
어?
네. 오늘 말고. 네, 좀.
Okay. There you go. Okay. Can you turn heads to the right and left and see how you feel?
Feels good.
Good. Like look down and up. It's okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right. 어때요? 괜찮아요?
네.
Okay. Yeah. Take a deep breath in and breathe out all the way out. Okay. How do you feel?
Wow. Great.
Did you feel any pops?
Yeah, I felt a lot.
A lot?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you feel it in the lower back as well?
No, just mostly up.
Upper,
Yeah.
upper back and
Yeah.
neck.
Yeah.
It was okay? It was the
Yeah,
first time,
felt-
right?
Yeah.
How
I
you
felt
feel?
really good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Now you can have a sit facing that side. Okay, that's good. Okay. Okay, relax and look down a little bit, lean back. Okay, let me check this side too. Okay, lean back a little bit. Okay, there's. Okay, now put your hand behind your head. Interlock your finger. Okay. I'm gonna put my hands between here. Okay, relax on my back. Good. Hold it tight. Relax your back. Ooh.
Wow.
That's loud. How you feel?
Good.
Good, good?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay. 오케이, 좋아요. 여기까지 할게요.
네.
자, 어때? 좀 릴리스 되는 것 같아?
네.